Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to pixelate your image on Canva. So in order to do that, just head over to your Canva website. After that, just go to the upload section and upload your desired image on Canva. So after you do that, just click your image, click here on edit. So after you click on edit, just scroll down a bit and look for the apps icon here. So just go here and just click here on the arrow option and you will find the option for Pixelify. Click on Pixelify and then just click on open. So as you can see, your image has been pixelated. You can like select how much pixel that you want. So then just click here on replace and your image will be pixelated. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.